Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to my all students. This is new Oxford Modern English class 4, and today we are going to start the exercise of our chapter number 8, because it already known that we have completed its translation, and that chapter's name is The Story of Dr. Dolittle. Let's start with the exercise. I'll show you the exercise. It starts from here, and first of all we'll have the A comprehension, where we have lots of question answers to be done. And let's start with the question answers as I have done for you, so we will not waste our much of the time. Chapter 8, The Story of the Dr. Dolittle. Exercise question answers. Number 1, who followed Dr. Dolittle? Dogs, cats and children followed Dr. Dolittle. Question number 2, did Dr. Dolittle live alone? No, Dr. Dolittle, we can have a full stop here. No, Dr. Dolittle lived with his sister and so many other animals like dogs, cows, because we can see two cows in the picture of this chapter. Cows, dogs, rabbits, squirrels, horse, parrot, mouse, ducks, hens, and so many other of them. And that's why I've written ETC here. Question number 3, how many different kinds of pets lived with Dr. Dolittle? Hens, parrots, dogs, ducks, rabbits, etc. These are the animals' names which are living with the Dr. Dolittle as his pets. What did Dr. Dolittle have to say about the best people? Dr. Dolittle had to say that I like the animals better than the best people. Now, question number 5. Who gave Dr. Dolittle the idea to become an animal doctor? Cats meet man. It is the name of a person, right? This is a man name, okay? Cats meet man gave Dr. Dolittle the idea of. The should be coming here. I am just adding the here. Dolittle the idea to become an animal doctor. What did the parrot say to Dr. Dolittle in its own language? What does that means? Parrot said, ka koi e fi means, is the porridge hot yet? To Dr. Dolittle in its own language. What did Dr. Dolittle write in his butcher's book? Dr. Dolittle wrote about the different languages and their meanings in the butcher's book. We have another question, and it is written that question would be the difficult one, okay? Or you can say the more difficult question than the others we have done just now. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 पर हम आते हैं, जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा उनके कहने के मुताबिक मुश्किल है. हाउ एंड वाई डिड डॉक्टर डोलिटल बिकम पुअर? वो गरीब क्यों हो गए डॉक्टर डोलिटल? डॉक्टर डोलिटल बिकम पुअर बिकॉज ही इज़ नॉट practicing his profession and having so many animals around him all the day and night and fulfilling their food requirements. उसके पास जितने भी डॉक्टर डोलिटल के इर्द गिर्द जितने भी उन्होंने अपने घर में और तमाम जो पेट उन्होंने उनको पाले हुए थे, उन्हीं के इर्द गिर्द उनकी ज़िंदगी गुजर रही थी, और वो इसके अलावा कुछ भी सोचते समझते नहीं थे. आंसर दीज क्वेश्चंस अबाउट दिस लाइन फ्रॉम द स्टोरी. यू आर रिडिकुलस सेड हिज सिस्टर एंड वॉकड आउट ऑफ द रूम. आप बिल्कुल ही बेकार या फजूल हो, ये कहते हुए उसकी सिस्टर यानी कि उसकी बहन कमरे से चली गई. हु इज स्पीकिंग एंड टू हुम? ये कौन कह रहा था और किसको कह रहा था? डॉक्टर डोलिटल्स सिस्टर सारा इज स्पीकिंग टू डॉक्टर डोलिटल, राइट? वी कैन राइट हेयर लाइक हु इज स्पीकिंग? डॉक्टर डोलिटल्स सिस्टर सारा. Sarah is speaking to Dr. Dolittle, means her brother. What have been brother and sister being speaking about? दोनों आपस में क्या बात कर रहे थे? उनके दरमियान में क्या बातें हो रही थीं, या वो क्या बातचीत गुफ्तगू कर रहे थे? The brother and the sister have been speaking about Dr. Dolittle's profession and his house like a zoo. Why does the speaker gets upset? And does the speaker get upset and leave the room? The speaker gets upset because her brother Dr. Dolittle told her that he likes the animals better than the best people. What happens after this? Means when this all happened, what happened then? Cat's meat man and the parrot made Dr. Dolittle realized that he should start practicing his profession. उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि कैट्स मीट मैन और पैरट ने डॉक्टर डिलिटल को ये रियलाइज करवाया कि उनको अपना प्रोफेशन की प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए. नाउ वील स्टार्ट विद द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस एक्सरसाइज. Fill in the missing letter in these words from the story, and C dash A T means cat, R A T rat, B I T bite, or bit, P A T pat, R O T rot, owl, goldfish, lamb. I've written all the missing letters in the fill in the blanks, right? I filled them. Put this word into countable and non-countable nouns. Countable, you know, countable nouns are what? Countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted, right? And the nouns which cannot be countable, हम उनको काउंट नहीं कर सकते, और जिनको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, लाइक एग्स, मनी, बॉटल्स, पॉट्स, ब्रेड. और अनकाउंटेबल नाउन में आप देखें फ्लोर, आटा, फ्लावर्स, फूल. अगर थोड़े हों तो हम कर सकते हैं, लेकिन इफ देयर बी, यू गो इन द गार्डन एंड यू सी, यू कांट काउंट द फ्लावर्स देयर. Butter you can't, water you can't, soil we can't. Fill in the blanks with the word from the story. You will not find these sentences in the story. Fill in the blanks with the words from the story. ठीक है, हमने जो है अपनी वो स्टोरी को देखते हुए हमने इनको फिल करना है. The people did not know his name, but when they saw him on the road they knew him by sight. यानी वो उनका उसका चेहरा देख के लोग उसको पहचान जाते थे. डॉक्टर डोलिटल हाउस वॉज नॉट इन द टाउन बट ऑन द एज ऑफ द टाउन. बिल्कुल उस डॉक्टर डोलिटल का जो घर था वो टाउन के अंदर नहीं था, लेकिन उसके एक किनारे पर था. नेक्स्ट फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स इज द डॉक्टर्स फेवरेट पेट्स वर अ डक एंड अ डॉग एंड अ पैरट. The children were not happy and dash all day because they could not go out, grumbled. He wore such a ridiculous hat that the others all laughed and made fun of him. After he fell over, the boy picked himself up and dusted his shirt. The children rushed out of the class to see the parade passing along the road. Underline the to plus verb in the following sentences, right? अब देखें इसमें you need to know about and you need to understand at least this. To plus verb means whenever to comes in the sentence, after to there will be a first form of the verb always. Like I'll be giving the few of the sentences from your exercise, and that is A part. The boy wanted to enter the playground. He tried to climb the high wall round the playground. When he got on the top of the park, keeper saw him. The keeper tried to catch him. He looked at the keeper and decided to jump. अब आपने देखा है यहाँ पर, आपने you have noticed it here that whenever you see the to, it right after to we are supposed to write or use the first form of the word. To enter, to climb, to catch, to jump. Another question. Underline the subject and circle the object. Okay, subject and object. The children eat biscuits. Children, subject, biscuits, object. The baby threw a ball. Baby is subject and ball is an object. She likes eggs. She, subject, eggs, object. He, subject, plays tennis. Means tennis is an object and he is a subject. She eats cereal for breakfast. She is a subject, eats cereal for breakfast. Breakfast is a object. Question number 6. Rewrite the above sentences correctly. Pay attention to the use of subject verb in agreement. One of my cousins are coming today. The correct form of this sentence would be one of my cousin is coming today. One of my sister is very tall. One of my sister is very tall. This is perfectly all right. Question number 3, or we can say the part number 3 of question number 6. Two of my friend have computer at home. Two of my friends have computers at home. Number 4, some of the children has some difficulty in working. Some of the children have some difficulties in working. With this, I thank you all that you have patiently listened that all, and I would request again, please subscribe my channel and share the things and share with others and compliment that all, please. Thank you very much. Allah